Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2022 Mint Mongoose Jewelry Subscription unboxing. I am so excited that another collection has arrived right at my door and I'm so excited to share it with you all. I have been sharing the Mint Mongoose Jewelry Subscription box for a few months now, and if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know how much I love this jewelry subscription. So just in case you haven't seen any of those videos or you want some reminders, I'll give you the rundown of how this works. But first, I do want to say thank you so much to Helena, who is the creator of Mint Mongoose, for sending me this subscription for free. I always give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but so before I get into the unboxing, which it's a monthly jewelry subscription, you get 2 jewelry pieces, and depending on how many months you sign up for at a time, it gets as low as $23.99, so incredible value in this subscription. Plus, I have a $10 off discount code for your first box. Plus, if you're in the US, you'd get free shipping. So it's really an incredible deal with that discount code. The code is Christy10. And then I love that you get to customize a lot of the important features of this jewelry subscription. So you get to choose your tone preference, silver, gold, rose gold, or they can surprise you. You could get a mix of it all. You can say whether you want earrings or not, which I think is such a great touch. Oh, and what's really fun is every 3 months you get a surprise gift, so something that's not jewelry. But you can also add on, for only $3.99 a month, a ring or an earring subscription, and then for $9.99 a month you can add on their t-shirt subscription, and I absolutely love their t-shirts. They are such adorable designs, and what's even more incredible is that each month is a really personal collection inspired by Helena's life. So it's just so meaningful and really beautifully curated pieces and collections. And I am so excited to see what this month's collection is going to be. And that kind of makes it even more exciting to me than some other subscriptions, because you know every collection is going to be so beautifully inspired, and they give you a great backstory on the collection, and that really sets apart this jewelry subscription compared to other subscriptions. Oh my gosh, I love this already, and I've just read the title. It says, "Let yourself live like a kid again." Our inspiration behind this set. This month's set is inspired by the utter joy kids experience when you add sprinkles to their day. Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful story. And then it ends with, "When you wear this set, I hope it reminds you to make the effort to find joy in your day, allowing yourself to feel excitement and look forward to something rather than being consumed by the go, go, go that becomes the norm. It's so worth it." So if you're watching this right now, let's all take a moment, or find a moment in your life, in your day, to just really appreciate the joy. I know I could make a better effort at that. But okay, let's see what pieces I got. And the candy, so sweet. There's just so many beautiful touches with this subscription as well. Ooh, yay. The first one I'm pulling out is earrings, which I was hoping I would get because I'm not wearing any earrings right now and I want to put these on. Ooh, oh my gosh. So beautiful. It's kind of like a crystally white background or base with gold flecks in it, like the gold sprinkles. Let me give you a zoomed in view. I hope that that is coming into focus so that you can see those beautiful gold flecks in here. So pretty. Okay, so I am putting these on, and oh my gosh, they look so pretty. Dainty, easy to wear, light, comfortable. Oh, I love these. And they go with anything that you want to wear. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful piece. And then I love that the piece that comes with it matches, because I love a matching set. Ooh, and this one is a beautiful long pendant necklace with the matching stone. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this on right away as well. And you can really adjust the length of this however you want it. Just want to put it short enough so we can still see it on camera. Oop. There we go. Oh my gosh. I love this collection. It is so beautiful, so easy to wear. I feel like that's what comes to mind the most. Like, the colors go with anything, the pattern, it's so easy to wear versus like some, you know, gaudy costume jewelry that maybe I wouldn't get much use out of. This is like daily wear, anytime, anywhere type of jewelry, which I love. I guess a good way to describe it would be timeless, classic, but still fun and on trend as well. And that's what all of the collections I've gotten so far from Mint Mongoose have been like, just so beautiful and wearable, yet very stylish, and the types of pieces where you get a lot of compliments on them. So if you're not already subscribed to Mint Mongoose, I highly recommend it. And if you are signing up for the first time, make sure you save $10 with my code. And I'll have all of this information, of course, in the description down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.